Greetings, plant enthusiasts. Today we're shining a spotlight on the charming Peperomia Marble, a delightful member of the Peperomia family with a rich history. Native to Central and South America, this variety is celebrated for its distinctive marbled foliage, adding a touch of elegance to indoor spaces. The Peperomia Marble is renowned for its striking green and white marbled leaves. This Peperomia variety features heart-shaped leaves with a captivating marble pattern, making it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. Its compact size and low maintenance nature make it an excellent choice for those seeking an elegant addition to their indoor plant collection. To thrive, the Peperomia Marble prefers well-draining soil, indirect sunlight, and regular watering. Its compact growth habit makes it suitable for various indoor environments, from homes to offices. It's essential to avoid overwatering to maintain the health and vibrancy of its marble leaves. When considering companion planting, the Peperomia Marble complements other small indoor plants. Pairing it with varieties that share similar light and water requirements enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of your indoor garden. While primarily grown for its decorative purposes, the Peperomia Marble also contributes to indoor air quality by filtering pollutants. Its compact size and striking appearance make it an ideal choice for tabletop shelves or as part of a curated plant collection. Its marble leaves, easy care nature, and versatility make it a cherished addition to any plant lover's collection. If you found this exploration intriguing, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the world of captivating plants. Until next time, may your indoor garden flourish, and may the Peperomia Marble grace your space with its elegant marble charm. Farewell and happy gardening.